My name is Michael Carducci. I'm a software engineer, I'm a speaker, I'm actually also a professional magician. And so I've got a little bit of an unusual background, but I spend a lot of time at software conferences. I do a lot of work as a tech speaker, and out of all the events I go to all over the world, GIDS is by far my favorite event that I attend. I mean, it's worth the 20-hour flight to get here because the attendees are the most passionate and engaged that I've ever interacted with ever in the world. And so I love being here. I love interacting with people between the sessions, and I mean, it's just incredible the energy that you have, the amount of care and effort that all the organizers go through. The sponsors are incredible, and it's actually great to be here in spite of the time change and the effort that you go through to get here, and it can be exhausting traveling that much. Just interacting with the attendees that you get here, it energizes you, you know. I mean, nowhere else can you go in the world that you see that kind of passion, that kind of energy. This is my second year attending, and I'm going to keep coming as long as they keep inviting me, because not only do I get to interact with so many great people and meet so many great people, I learn so much as well, being able to share the stage with so many great speakers, so many great thinkers. This is an incredible opportunity, and I'm incredibly grateful to be here right now. And so anybody who's even considering it, whether you're considering as a speaker, as an attendee, this is one of the most incredible conferences you can go to in the world, hands down.